So what is the best beard kit for men? So I found this beard kit on Amazon and it's the best seller. And I was like, yeah, summer's over. I want to try to look more masculine. I want to grow my beard out. But obviously, to do that, you need to properly take care of your beard because you want to maintain it. You want to make it look luscious, healthy. But then also, you want it because it makes you look masculine. And that's why I found this beard kit on Amazon is the best seller. And thus, in this video, I want to check it out and give you my honest thoughts and feedback. And with that said, let's get started. So on the front it says Isnamile Beard Kit. And once you slide it open, you can see why this is the ultimate grooming kit for men. You'll receive the Isnamile beard brush, the beard comb, the derma roller, a scissor, a very premium and luxurious barber's knife with plenty of barber blades to really make sure you can give yourself the aesthetic looking beard. You'll also receive the beard balm, beard oil, beard wash, a leaflet, and this premium sack that allows you to put it inside of it. So plenty of goodies to really make sure you've got every single tool to get yourself an amazing and aesthetic looking beard. So obviously when it comes to a brush like this, it is perfect just to comb it a little bit, get rid of all of the dust that can build up inside of your beard. And sometimes you have a few of those flyaway hairs, and simply by applying a little bit of beard oil and brushing it this way, you can make it look more neat and professional. And with a wooden comb like this, it has two different sides when it comes to the teeth and it's slightly different than a beard brush. Next up is the beard wash, and this is especially useful if you're someone that has a longer beard or if you're someone that wants to keep your beard clean. Because when it comes to your hair, you also should wash your beard, because if you're someone that doesn't wash your beard or if you only use water, it won't properly give your facial hair the chance to grow and become dense and thick. So let me apply a little bit on my facial hair now. There we go. Let's distribute it. And I would also recommend you add a little bit of water, so this way you can really get deep inside of the root. And I can't lie, it does smell very refreshing. And as you can see, I've added a little bit of water, and this is exactly what you need. And this really allows you to take care of your facial hair. The next product I want to talk about is the beard oil. And when it comes to this package, you'll receive two of them. So let me open them up. And as you can see, inside of it is the beard oil. So all I have to do is to slightly apply on my facial hair like this. There we go. Use my fingers to distribute it. And do the same on the other side and make sure I distribute it all across my beard evenly, because this really gives you the nutrients for your facial hair to become thick and healthy looking. Because when it comes to the beard oil, it has vitamin E in it, and that's exactly what you need. The next product is the beard balm, and this product not only makes sure that your beard is healthy, but it also allows you to style your beard, because especially the longer your beard gets, the more you need to maintain it, and that's where a beard balm comes into play. So let me open it up, scoop a little bit out of it, and it's time for me to apply it. So you can literally apply it anywhere on your facial hair where you feel like you need to apply it. I'm mainly applying it here because this is the only area that gets kind of rough when it comes to my facial hair. And this way you can really style and maintain your facial hair. And when it comes to your derma roller, it allows you to stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles. And this allows your hair follicles to get more nutrients, and therefore they'll become thicker. And when it comes to this barber's blade, this allows you to really make sure that you can give yourself that line up, whether it's here, it does not matter. But obviously be extremely careful with it, because you can cut yourself. And this little scissor allows you to get rid of any stubborn hairs. And thus overall, if you're looking for a best Father's Day gift, a gift for any male in your life, or even for yourself, you're looking for a complete beard kit, in my opinion, when it comes to the bang for your buck, it is absolutely worth it. Because when it comes to a lot of brands out there, they try to overcharge you when it comes to hair care products or facial hair care products, whilst when it comes to Isnamile, that's not the case. It's the best selling item on Amazon, and thus I would highly recommend it.